Do you like cookies? Well, you're not in luck, because this is for s'mores. Is that all? It's fun to just like say things. Here's what you'll need for this project. 1 fat quarter of fabric, a 14-inch zipper, iron-on vinyl, a rotary blade, craft scissors, a ruler, a sewing machine. We're using the Bernina B350. First, cut out your fabric. Cut out 2 15-inch by 6-inch pieces to hold a 13-inch marshmallow stick. Before cutting your fabric, make sure to measure your marshmallow sticks to confirm this length will work for your bag. We recommend adding an additional 2 inches to your bag measurement based on the length of your marshmallow sticks. Next, cut out your iron-on vinyl. Trace 1 piece of the fabric you just cut onto the paper side of your vinyl. Cut out your vinyl so it's a 1/2 inch shorter around all 4 sides. Repeat for the second piece of vinyl. Next, fuse the iron-on vinyl to the unprinted side of the fabric by peeling off the paper backing and applying the sticky side with your hand. Be sure to smooth out any wrinkles before pressing with an iron and make sure to use a press cloth. Pin the zipper along the top edge of the fabric with the wrong side of the zipper facing up. Switch to your zipper foot on your machine and sew your zipper in place with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. If needed, you can adjust the zipper pull before you start so it's not in the way when you're stitching. Once you meet up with the zipper pull, just lift your presser foot up and move the zipper pull out of the way. You can iron the zipper if you'd like, but I'm just going to finger press it because the vinyl gives it a little extra structure which allows me to get a really crisp edge. Repeat this step on the other side of your fabric. Top stitch both sides of the zipper in place with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. With right sides of your fabric together, pin around the edges, making sure to unzip your zipper. Stitch together the 3 sides. Trim your edges, including the corners, and flip the fabric right side out. And just like that, you have the perfect marshmallow bag for a sizzling campfire.